That's about the auto ancillary space. But Reema, Bharti Airtel, that's dialing in, right? Making fresh all-time highs. Tell us more. You've done some data analysis of the last few years and why exactly the ARPUs. I think they've been talking about 300 for a while.
Yeah.
But give us the broader picture.
So just to go back in time, right? When Reliance Jio launched, which was almost 7 years ago, 5th of September 2016. So 7 years back is when Reliance Jio launched. Before Reliance Jio launched, the ARPUs of Bharti Airtel for the India business were about 200 rupees. Okay, then Jio launched. With its aggressive pricing, we saw the ARPUs drop. The ARPUs halved for Reliance Jio. They went down to 101. They just missed that, double-digit mark. They halved. And since then, in the last 5 years, the company has been taking a lot of steps, to improve their ARPUs. And finally, in the quarter gone by, the ARPUs, after 7 years, are back to where it was before the Jio onslaught. Also, to put some more numbers in comparison, right? What happened in the 7-year period? Well, the revenues continued to move up. So revenues were about 15,000 crore rupees for the India mobile business only. We're not talking about the consolidated business. We're talking about the India mobile business. We're about 15,000 crore rupees. They went up to 20,000 crore rupees. But what the company focused on was improving margins, bringing in efficiencies. And look at the way the EBITDA margins. They couldn't control the pricing. Pricing went down. It's an industry phenomena, but they worked on their margins and improved their margins to nearly 55%. Steady improvement. And now also because of other factors like Vodafone Idea weakening, its subscriber growth continued to be very, very steady. So they worked on the margin bit and they worked a lot on pricing. Very often the company was the first mover in upping the pricing, right? You don't want to take the chance of increasing pricing at the risk that if others don't follow suit, I could lose my subscribers. But yet the company very often took that step in upping their pricing. They focused a lot on their postpaid subscribers, which is where if you manage to upgrade your prepaid subscriber to postpaid, straight away your ARPU goes up 70% on an average. If you move, you try and, of course, smartphones also played a big role because the minute you upgrade from feature phone to smartphones, there is a big ARPU jump, right? International roaming got simplified. So the company took a lot of steps to get the ARPUs back to the 200 rupee mark, which is where they started with, right?
And no taking away from the fact that in the face of a challenger like Jio, nonetheless, I mean, nothing smaller than that, to be able to come back. And that was, I think, it was beautiful data that you said from 200, half to just about 100, back to 200. It's been a phenomenal.
And now they're looking at 300 rupees, right?
It's medium-term target.
Medium-term target, long-term target.
But 300 is something that they've still put on the board. Let's ask Prakash. Prakash.